Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You know it's a girl Nisha. So the question for today is Patois English. No, Patois is not English. Patois is actually a language by itself, developed in the 17th century when the slave need to find a way how to speak to each other without the British will know what they're talking about. And it's from in the Central Africa and West Africa. It's also a bit of French and has a little Spanish to it as well. So forehead, you might say your forehead, you have a nice forehead or your forehead small or big. In Jamaica, we say forehead. Your forehead biggie. Hey, your forehead big in my youth, but not lie. Your forehead big body. Big like global warming. But, or you don't have to say nothing like that. You can say, boy, you're nice now, but your forehead big. So that is what we say. You don't say forehead. Patois is forehead. Alright? And the next word now that is coming up, really use all the while, is yai. They're going to juke out your yai. Or, why am I being so aggressive? Oh my God. We don't say, I can find something else. We don't say your eyes. We say yai. Your yai them brighty and pretty. Look at that, so cute. Yai and bright body. Yeah. So, see there? So the spelling there. Eyes, yai. So the next time you come to Jamaica, and you want to talk a little bit of Patois, just say, your yai them shiny, pretty yai gal. Alright. And so the next word now is nose. Bombat. You're the man and nose. Hey. Your nose big. Why am I always a bit something like But that's how we say it, because I'm always find something new about people. I mean, I was at the bus stop one time and a man said, no man, the man that knows I can't see him brain.
Do me a favor, please.
Big,
Get out
like
of here.
Get
out of here, man.
I'm to say that in Patois, nose. Alright? So you see, nose. And finally, we're at mouth. Shut up your mouth and lick your mouth. Let's eat and lick your mouth. So, word mouth. Alright? So you can say stop. Well, in English you can say stop the talking or whatever. But we are going to say shut your mouth. Your mouth just a laba. So, you just chat out your mouth. Your mouth can't shut. Yes, so that's mouth. So if there's any other word you want to learn, you can always leave a comment down below. And of course, I will give you that. Of course, solely and openly. Thank you very much for watching, and we do appreciate you. And if you're not a part of the NJ fam, please go ahead and subscribe down there. Leave a comment down below on what you like to see next and want to hear me talk about next. Please to stay safe. I always have a tongue twister in it, always. But I don't edit them out. So until then, take care of yourself. Walk good, talk good, and always be good to someone else. See you next time. Bye.